Hello, hello, I'm Roger Miller. England swings like a pendulum do. Actually, I'm Ricky.
I'm Barbara.
Together we're RV Underway.
It's Charlie Grace with Charlie Grace Adventures.
Rhonda D with our destinations and creations.
A little bit crazy. Lisa. Bethel. Johnny.
We are
No, Nettie.
Living Free Colas.
Correct.
Hey, it's Bear with the Gimpy Camper.
I'm Greg.
I'm Shelley.
And together,
We're Dave's Great Adventures.
still.
We're KT and BJ with Slow Momentum.
And they are the host of this big shindig.
Yeah! 22.
And it was a great shindig. Let me tell you what, we had lots of fun. The weather was almost perfect every day. Lots of sunshine there in Louisiana. And a big thanks to Slo Mo and, we call him KT, and BJ for being the host. What a great party this year. There's Barrett. He did all the cooking. Thank you, Barrett, from Gimpy Camper. Wow, what a great cook. If you ever need a chuck wagon cook, he's the guy to call, Barrett from Gimpy Camper. And there's Nettie from Melanetti, Living Free Zip Codeless. She's handing out some prizes. We had a little raffle that night. And then, of course, the party got kicked off. Oh, yeah, doing the old YMCA. Fun was had by all that night. We really enjoyed it. Dawn and I just had a great time. And just so nice to get a chance to meet everybody. It's kind of surreal if you've never been to a meetup before. And, we all been talking to each other for years on YouTube. And it's just always great to actually shake a hand and give a hug and say hi to your fellow RV community people out there. So what a great meetup. Really enjoyed it. That was just a touching moment with KT and his daughter. Just a great moment there. And then we all went out to dinner one night. We went to this Crawdaddy place and had some crayfish. Man, that was good eating. I'm telling you what, I just absolutely loved that. And everybody had a ball, y'all. And just some good eating. I actually learned how to eat my first crayfish there that night. And there we are, all hanging out at the table, just having a great time, and saying hi to everybody and mingling and, getting to know each other even more better. So it was really a whole lot of fun. And we hope you can make it next time. I think Slo Mo's had 2 or 3 of these, so they get bigger and better every year. That's the Slo Mo Jo Crew Rendezvous. Had a great time. And there's BJ again, KT's better half. And there's Ricky and Barbara from RV Underway. Across the table there, Greg and Shelley from Dave's Great Adventure. And everybody's there, everybody having a great time. There's my lovely bride, Dawn, on the end there, and there's my empty chair, because I'm walking around filming this crazy thing. Hey, we had a great waitress, too. She was super nice. So we really enjoyed it, and man, we hope to see you maybe next year. Yeah, we hope to be back, and I'm sure everybody does. So we'll hope you're finding yours, Xanadu. And as Dawn would say, toodaloo!